Here I have OnePlus Ace 3, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button hotspot. So just by tapping on it, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings, like you can enable hotspot here. You can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can change its name, you can change its password, you can select security protocol, you can change AP band, you can also set up your hotspot to be hidden. You can use Wi-Fi 6 protocol, provides a faster connection. You can also manage connected devices. You can add devices to block list. You can set up a connection limit. You can set up data usage limit. You can set hotspot to turn off automatically when no devices are connected for 10 minutes. You can use it for Bluetooth tethering, for USB tethering, and for Ethernet cable tethering. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.